Presenting the JCB Skid Steer Loader, an ideal machine for solid waste management. Built to take on the most demanding work sites, the JCB Skid Steer provides maximum protection to keep both the operator and machine out of harm's way. Its side door entry makes it the safest skid steer in the world. This extremely versatile machine comes with a vast range of 25 attachments for multiple tasks. Sweeper collector and swing hoe attachments is tailor-made for solid waste management. Its unique mono boom design offers 20% more breakout force. Offering 60% better visibility, the JCB Skid Steer is loaded with power aplenty. Furthermore, to ensure more comfort and space for operators, its cabin is 46% bigger. Low on maintenance cost, this fuel-efficient machine is a good investment for the solid waste management industry.